Well, the government has finally rolled out its game changer in 3 Congress states, but is yet to manage any consensus on the floor of the House. Backdoor negotiations are underway in full swing, and for now, the BSP and the JDU have agreed to back the bill with only a few amendments. The Samajwadi Party, though, is keeping its cards close to its chest and is yet to make a clear stand.
देश का दुर्भाग्य है कि दिल्ली के शासकों को न देश की रक्षा की चिंता है, न रुपये की कीमत की चिंता है। उन्हें अगर चिंता है तो कुर्सी बचाने के कार्यक्रमों की चिंता है। कुर्सी बचाने के तौर तरीके क्या हो, उसी में वो डूबे हुए हैं।
हमने खाद्य सुरक्षा जैसा कानून बनाने का फैसला किया, जिससे देश में कोई भी गरीब भूखा ना रहे, उसके बच्चे भूखे ना सोए, कुपोषण के शिकार ना हो। इस कार्यक्रम से इतने विशाल पैमाने पर खाद्य सुरक्षा की कानूनी गारंटी देना, मैं समझती हूँ, दुनिया में बेमिसाल है। देश की लगभग 125 करोड़ आबादी में से दो तिहाई को बेहद कम दाम पर अनाज उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा। करीब 80 करोड़ जनता को इसका फायदा मिलेगा।
4 times the food ministers were called, and last week when I got a letter from Narendra Modi, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, that again it should be discussed with the Chief Ministers. What is the purpose? Purpose is to delay this right of the people. And this Modi, who claims to become the next Prime Minister of this country, is denying the right of the people, we should understand. He wants that it should be further delayed. So where does BJP stand? So here this is a fight for the poor people of this country. We will guarantee that people will get the food grains.
No, we will be trying our level best to get food bill passed, because by this legislation we are going to provide cheap rations, cheap food grains to 83 crores people of this country. This will be a historical day when Parliament will pass this legislation. So we will try our level best. We will make every effort to get it passed. So in that process we are talking to everybody.
Food grains, rice at 3 rupees, wheat at 2 rupees, and other cost grains at 1 rupee a kilo. This bill has gone through a very, very comprehensive vetting process. It's been to a standing committee. After coming back from the standing committee, the concerns articulated have been taken on board. Official amendments, wherever they were essential, have been incorporated in the body of the bill. And I do think there comes a time in the life of every nation when people need to rise above partisan politics and really see the public welfare, which is intrinsic and which is embodied in the heart of the bill.
We have to see, we have serious reservations on the food security bill. We are not in disagreement with regard to aims and objectives. The way in which that is going to be implemented, that will affect the federal structure of the constitution. States are saying, the Gujarat has expressed concern, Tamil Nadu has expressed concern, even Andhra also going to be one of the losers. As per the reports, 18 states are going to lose on account of this, and it will be a burden on those states. All these apprehensions has to be answered by the government. I am going to initiate the debate in the upper house as and when it comes, and I have also prepared certain amendments taking into consideration various apprehensions raised.
फूड सिक्योरिटी बिल है, सैद्धांतिक तौर पर तो हमारी पार्टी का पूरा समर्थन है इस बिल को लेकर। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ये जो बिल ला रही है, इसके लिए सैद्धांतिक तौर पर हमारी पार्टी इसका समर्थन करती है, लेकिन हमारी पार्टी के कुछ सुझाव हैं। तो वो सुझाव जब इसके ऊपर चर्चा होगी तो मैंने अपनी पार्टी के लोगों को बता दिया है, तो वो अपनी बात उधर रखेंगे। जैसे उन्होंने एक जो वो सीमा तय की है कि भाई इतना अनाज उनको दिया जाएगा, इतना चावल, इतना मोटा अनाज, तो हम चाहेंगे कि थोड़ा सा इसमें और बढ़ोतरी होनी चाहिए। और भी कुछ सुझाव है वो हम पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जब चर्चा होगी लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में अपनी बात रखेंगे।
You already reached an agreement.
Who told you that meeting was secret? Who told you the meeting was secret?
So you essentially had a meeting with the Congress party.
I have meeting with all the parties.
What was the outcome of that meeting? What was the outcome of that meeting?
No, the outcome you are seeing in the House.
You're going to be supporting the bill?
I have moved my amendments and we will press for it.
No, but even otherwise, we understand that you will support the bill.
Why do you want to put your words into my mouth? When I say that I have moved some amendments and I will press for it, if the amendments are accepted, well, if not, we will oppose.